The 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome stands out as a modern and versatile recreational vehicle designed for comfort, practicality, and long-distance travel. Its bold red cab combined with the white camper body creates a striking and premium visual appeal. At first glance, the front design carries Toyota's latest styling language, with a wide grille, sharp headlights, and a confident stance that gives it strong road presence. The overcab sleeping area is one of the most defining features. It extends smoothly above the cabin, maximizing interior space without significantly increasing the vehicle's footprint. The overall design feels more refined compared to traditional bulky RVs, with smoother edges and a more aerodynamic profile. Despite being a motorhome, its size appears manageable, making it suitable for both highway cruising and urban navigation. The camper body is well integrated into the chassis, giving it a factory-built finish rather than an aftermarket appearance. Large side windows enhance the exterior look while also improving natural lighting inside the cabin. Inside, the motorhome is expected to offer a highly functional layout with efficient use of space. The overcab section likely serves as the main sleeping area, comfortably accommodating 2 people. The main living area probably includes a convertible seating arrangement that transforms into an additional bed when needed. A compact kitchen setup is expected, featuring essentials like a stove, sink, and small refrigerator for travel convenience. Storage is one of the key strengths, with multiple cabinets, overhead compartments, and external storage units. The rear section may include a small washroom or utility area, which adds to the vehicle's practicality for long trips. Driving performance is supported by Toyota's reliable engine lineup, ensuring smooth power delivery for both city and highway use. Fuel efficiency might not be as high as smaller vehicles, but it remains reasonable for a motorhome in this category. The suspension system is likely tuned for comfort, helping reduce vibrations and improve ride quality on long journeys. Handling should feel more stable compared to larger RVs due to its relatively compact design. Driver visibility is excellent thanks to the elevated seating position and wide windshield. Modern technology features are expected, including a touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, and connectivity options. Safety features may include airbags, ABS, lane assist, and parking sensors, enhancing driver confidence. Climate control and insulation are important aspects, ensuring comfortable travel in different weather conditions. The camper is ideal for couples and small families looking for a balance between mobility and living space. One limitation could be the relatively compact interior compared to full-size motorhomes. However, this compact size makes it much easier to drive and park, which is a major advantage. The stylish graphics and modern design make it visually appealing, especially for travel and YouTube content. Toyota's reputation for durability and reliability adds significant value to this motorhome. Maintenance and servicing are likely easier compared to specialized RV brands. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Camper Motorhome offers a perfect combination of comfort, style, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for modern road trip enthusiasts.